Here I have BLACKVIEW BV6600, and today I'm going to show you how to turn off running apps on this device. So if you want to close all of your opened apps at once, you firstly have to enter recent section. So to do this, you have two different ways. If you have like 3 buttons navigation system, you just tap on the recent button. It will be located on the right or on the left side depending on your settings. Or if you have this gesture navigation system, you just swipe your finger from bottom and hold it for about a second, and that's how you can access recent section. So let me show you. You just swipe and hold your finger, and now you can see all of your opened apps. So if you want to close them all at once, just tap on this clear all button, and after that all of these apps will be closed, and as you can see, no more recent items. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.